Here we have the Kwan blue belt form, the Hyung. Jang means general, similar to Jangjun in Chinese. And this one is supposedly a direct inheritance from the Korean royal court, one of the few remnants that we can actually trace to that institution. As always, begin with your salute and bow. We're going to begin with a right side forward stance. Here's the trick. As we shift the left foot back, we keep the hands together and we do a kind of stirring the pot motion to here, which then is unleashed. 1, 2, 3. Right away, back fist and punch down. And then bring both of these back, marshal, and then blast forward. Notice how the arm and hands are aligned. The right foot, the left hand down, and the right forearm vertical. This is most likely a bash with a shield. If I were a soldier in a line with other soldiers, and we all had shields, we'd be bashing in unison to drive the other line back. Then, drop the hands, pull back. And this position that I strike here, this is called the Jang position. So we will return to this position in the second half of the form. All right. From the Jang position, cross the right leg behind, and uppercut once. Then open your stance out again as you circle this above your head. Punch again. Step forward 180 degrees with the right leg. High forearm block. And then down block, but skip the hand as you do. From here, you're going to do a tornado inside kick with the right foot. Your weight shifts to the right leg. Hand comes up. Swing both hands down in a scooping motion that reaps downward and gives you momentum committed this way that you can transfer to your right leg. Down and up. Then, right away, cross both arms, block downward. From here, you're going to do a double jumping front kick, left first, then right. 1, 2, land. Again, a firm inside block with the right, and down. Draw the right hand back and crouch. Notice how I've torqued my waist. Deliver one punch, step, deliver a second, step, deliver a third, and sink as far as you can down. Now notice I'm pretty much oblique here. I'm not facing forward like we would normally do with a right hand punch. This is a different kind of right hand punch that's really only seen in martial arts. Sink and thrust. Then rise up with your weight on the right foot and your hands up. We're going to use this position to go directly into a cartwheel the other direction. Open the hands, turn, look, cartwheel. As my left hand comes up out of the cartwheel, I bring it over my head, dip, and then a butterfly kick, which lands here. This should put you exactly in the position for another Jang pose. And here we repeat. Cross behind, uppercut. Step forward, pivot the body, uppercut. And then step forward, inside block, low block strike, transfer the weight up, scoop, jumping, inside kick. Cross, double down, jumping inside left, right. Sorry, that was front kick, left, right. Land. Inside block, down. And just as before, 1 punch, 2 punch, 3 punch. This time, instead of a cartwheel, however, we're going to repeat that initial pattern. 1, 2, 3, back fist, drop, thrust. Then, this time put the weight all on the right, turn, down. Sool.